This 2024 Keystone Cougar 364 BHL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Ringgold, Virginia, 24586 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Danville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 39 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 9, slide-out, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, rear bedroom, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.